Guys, today welcome to my origami tutorial. First, get a piece of paper and fold it like
oh, dandahan para hindi pumutok.
Fold it like wait, I'm just gonna fold it first. Then I'll show you how to fold it.
Oh, dandahan.
This, like this. And repeat it with the other side. Like this. As you can see, it's a crisscross now. What you're gonna do next is flip it backward and fold it like this to this. This to this. Like this. After you unfold it, flip it like this. Click. You see, as you can see, it's like this. So you fold it, you click it like this, then you're done. And you can fold it like this. I forgot to fold the I forgot to fold lengthwise. You can just fold lengthwise if you want, like this. Okay, now you're done. Now what you're gonna do is fold it like this. Okay. Fold it like this and put this here and squish it here, and you should get like this. Next is put this into here. I'll show you how to do it. Like this, guys, like this, like this. Then what you're gonna do is fold this in half, like this. It can have like this. It's okay. Then next is fold these things like this. These are gonna be the tail. And repeat to the other side. After you're gonna do this. You're gonna do this. Wait, you see this? You fold it like this. Wait. Like this. Like that. Then you can repeat with the other side. After you're done both sides, fold it like this. Okay. Take your time na.
Putot? Sinong putot? Ay, wag.
Okay.
Wala ka nang balon.
You're done. Should look like this. Should look like this. After you flip it like this, and you see no in this anymore. Next is you fold.
Mabubutas
You fold
ganyan lang.
this.
Dandahan.
Then next,
Lagyan nyo kay helper space.
next
Gawin yung passive
is
niya, di ba puno? Ha?
like this.
Then done.
Like this. Then this part, you're gonna hold it like the other one.
Ooh, abot sa ilaw. Apa? Ooh, abot sa ilaw. Ooh.
Like this. After
Pag pumutok, huwag iiyak, ha?
after you fold this part
Ay, di mo nasalo.
like this, So it's gonna be the tail.
Dito nila.
Wait, I'll show a replica of the airplane. Okay. So this is the airplane we're gonna make. This is what we're creating right now. Okay. What naman? Okay. So you can see for this. Hold this like this. Then the other one, this part is folds like this. This will be crucial later. Then repeat with the other side.
Sige. Mawawala ka na ng balloon. Ay, galing.
Here's a tip. If you're struggling to make this side to the other side, flip it like this and fold it like this.
Yan.
So you can see, you can now copy this all the way to this bottom.
Yan, oh.
Take your time.
Wala pa. O yan. Galing. Doon ka sa labas para mahaba.
Okay. You're done like this. Also, if you don't know the steps, it's free to pause. It should look like this.
Dandahan.
After you see our wing, I'll show you what's next.
Dandahan. Mabubutas yan. Sige.
Also, I forgot.
Pag nabutas yan, mawawala yung
The plane we're gonna make is called Sharkraptor F108. It's a fictional airplane I made with 3D inlets and
doon ka sa malayo.
like
Doon.
this and 3D afterburners.
Okay.
So we're gonna make with 3D.
Oh.
We're gonna make the 3D.
Pakikabit.
Oh.
Called again 3D inlets. First you fold it like this.
Hindi abot.
Then second fold it upward. Make sure it's like this position so it's kind of picture is
Hindi ganyan. Hindi
looking.
ganyan.
Also make sure you put this
Hindi yan.
like not too far. Not too
Ganito,
far.
oh.
Like that.
Ay,
Then you can
Ganyan,
repeat
oh.
with the other side.
eto. Nandito, ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, di ba? Baliktad, baliktad. Baliktad mo. Baliktad. Sige pa. Baliktad.
Ay, nawawa. Nawawa. Nawawa pa ito.
Okay.
Sumay. Yan. Eto,
Take your
nandito. Yan, okay.
After you're done, should look like this. There should be a crease here. Yes, here it is. Up. This is gonna be where.
Ayun,
Okay.
tayo.
After you folded it like this,
Hindi ganyan.
this will be our inlet. And okay. Next step is to fold the nose. After you folded the nose, it should look like
Tabi
this.
na natin.
It should have a crease right here. After you folded the crease, there's two ways you can do this part. One is just do this. Two is just make creases and fold, and you can fold. Let's just do the creases. After you folded this part, And it needs a crease right here. And after, you can fold this like that. Make sure it looks like this. And it will have a crease all the way here. Then you repeat with the other side. If you're done with this, it should look like a triangle. What we're gonna do is put our finger here, our index, our pointy finger, and fold it like this. This step is pretty. You can pause whenever you want. At least this is just my first origami tutorial.
Wala na eh.
May yambot na.
After you folded the like this, you just fold these things like this, like flat, so you can make it look like a fighter jet if you want. Okay, take your time. After it should look like this. Should be perfectly symmetrical. After it, fold the tail upwards. Then the other tail too. Then this part, the inlet.
No.
After we put it like this, it should look like.
Pagod na ikaw.
Wait,
Nagtapos ka na.
I think I made a mistake.
Landahan.
Paano buhok lang tayo, tita? Selos na si Munton sa akin.
After this, it should look like it looks like this. So what you're gonna do is fold these things up like this. Also, it is not done yet. Oh wait. If it looks like this, then you can do the 3D in 3D.
Dito daw kami ni Sidney.
And
Dito siya matutulog.
after you do like this and like this, so you can have your 3D afterburners. What we're gonna do first is our inlets. This is where your folding skills come in. This is only for novices like me. Fold this like this into a circle like that. Make sure it doesn't come off at there. Then you can repeat with the other side. Make sure all the creases are aligned. After it should look like this. Then for the 3D afterburners, they're pretty easy. Just fold like you see this crease. Fold this upward and like this. You done your 3D in other 3. Your first afterburner. Now you can repeat with the other side. Next is the back winglets. You can call them sharklets if you want. That's what Airbus calls them. Okay, like it should look like this.
Ah.
And after, you can do the winglets. It's optional. After, still not done yet. You need to fold this. Wait. You need to fold this triangle. After you fold it, after you fold the triangle like this, it should have a crease. It should have a crease.
Tipi mo,
Here you
tipi mo,
see
tipi
it.
mo, dali.
Then-
Magunta ko, tipi mo. Tipi mo, magunta.
Oops. Fold it and push it down.
Wala, ano, ba't hindi ko naisip yun?
And after you push it down, should look like this. Should look like that. Then push them upwards. Make sure the opening on the fuselage is closed. After that, it should look like this, and the fuselage won't be able to open, so that's good for the plane. Then that's all for my origami Shark Raptor F108-8. Just throw it gently and you're good to go. Thank you for watching my first origami. Bye bye.